Huge thunderstorm outside. Very huge. Oh my gosh. Huge thunderstorm. And lightning and rain. Look at this. Look at my fellow YouTubers. It's huge thunderstorm and lightning. Damn. I'm in my house. I'm filming right in the porch. And it's like a huge thunderstorm. Look at all this rain. And lightning and thunder. Yeah. Huge thunderstorm. I don't know if you'll see me, but damn. Very late in the morning, and it's huge thunderstorm. Whoa. Look at the wind rushing and everything. It's like pulling like the water in different directions. Ooh, windy. Look at it out. Damn. Huge thunderstorm. Whew. Raining right now while pouring. Ooh, there's lightning. There's a sidewalk, road. The thunder saying hello. Damn. It's a huge thunderstorm. It's probably gonna go until it stops. Well, that's all for now. I just wanted to do a little thunderstorm vlog. Whoa.